channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Oh my god, I can't believe, guys, it's all ice. It just started snowing, but unfortunately it's raining a lot, so I think it's gonna melt off anyway. But aaj I have plans, so I'm going to city center and वहाँ पे Christmas की lights चालू हो गए हैं. So I'm going with one of my friend Simran. So it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned for that. But मैं आपको बताती हूँ रोड जो सब कैसे दिख रहे हैं. My God, guys, ये roads और 110% मैं slip होने वाली हूँ. Thank God मेरे पास shoes है anti slip. But see. So guys, I'm getting all set and ready for the cold weather. The gloves are in. Ooh. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी है guys बाहर. And I'm gonna meet Simran outside. We're gonna go bus से. So we'll go directly to the city center. We'll do some shopping and then Christmas lights भी दिखेंगे. Let's go. Oh my God, guys, इतना slippery है. Finally I've left. Oh my god, Simran is waiting outside and it's so cold and it's so slippery. Thank God I had anti-grip shoes, but I'm going to get some today, थोड़े अच्छे वाले. So waiting. अभी जा रही हूँ. Bus, we'll get a bus and then we'll go. Hey, आपका welcome. Hi, welcome Simran. Pretty girl. Oh my god, तेरी ठंडी नहीं लग रही? Because guys मैं ऐसे पैक होके आई हूँ, but we are going to catch a bus and then we'll go to the city center. Guys, also one info, Simran देगी.
I'm a bachelor student here.
Yeah. Struggling a lot, but she has a good information to give. I hope हमारी आवाज़ आ रही हो, थोड़ा अंदर आ जाए. Show them. So she has got a, what is it called?
This is the young Scottish card. If you're below 16 or below 20 or 21, you can get this one.
Yeah, and you can travel through bus for free, which is so nice and so useful as well. So जो भी young लोग हैं, हम तो नहीं हैं, unfortunately. But तू 20 की नहीं है?
Yeah, obviously. Yeah. I'm 19.
Oh my God, she's so young, but that's fine. So आप एक स्कॉटलैंड कार्ड ले सकते हो, so that's quite nice. But मुझे तो टिकट लेनी पड़ेगी, unfortunately सिमरन के लिए.
I can travel all in Scotland. I don't need any fees or I don't need any money for that.
Oh, that's so nice.
और
So
किसी भी बस में, is it मेगा बस या फिर कोई भी बस हो ना, किसमें भी.
तो मतलब तू आउट ऑफ ग्लास में भी like in Scotland पूरा?
हाँ, in Scotland पूरा.
So that's nice. I thought it would be only Glasgow के लिए, but Scotland में पूरा कहीं पे भी.
I don't know it will work in London or not.
But London में I think there would be a different card. This would, if it's
no, in London they do not provide any card.
Yeah, so we are not sure.
But
so
in Scotland they provide this kind of cards.
Yeah, so that's nice. So that's a good info.
कर देना information.
Oh भाई, ये तो editing में. Okay, interviewed Simran. Not interviewed, but yeah, is it worth it to come for bachelors in UK? Because I think masters के लिए it might be worth it because you would get a job, you would land a job anywhere. But for bachelors, do you think?
No, never. Because it is 3 years of study and you have to pay a lot of money.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pay around 35 lakhs in 3 years.
Oh my God.
तो सारे पैसे उड़ जाएंगे और कोई फायदा नहीं है.
हाँ.
क्योंकि अगर आपको 3 years के बाद डायरेक्ट जॉब ढूंढनी है, that's okay, that's fine. पर अगर एक सिर्फ मास्टर्स करना हो, I suggest मास्टर करने ही
But after bachelors, you have to do masters as well, right?
Yeah, I want to.
You can't get a job, do you? I mean, can you get a job?
बैचलर्स के बाद जॉब मिल जाएगी.
Oh.
मिल जाएगी जॉब.
अच्छा.
But
still.
होने चाहिए.
But yeah, but it's not worth it. And you, I mean, तुम्हारा वो मतलब time भी चला जाता है. So it's like 3 years. Masters is only for 1 year.
Exactly.
So which is quite nice. You only get less amount of time में less money and then you get a job.
Exactly.
That's fine. So nice info. Thanks, Simran. Guys, the Christmas tree is up finally. Cute लग रहा है बहुत. And that's the mall. And this is House of Frasers, which is very good for shopping, makeup brands और सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी के प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं. So हम पहले ये Primark बोलते हैं कि Primark? Primark, right? But a lot of Scottish people say Primark. Yeah, I'm not sure why, but we are going to Primark first. We are inside the mall. Simran is telling me that there is a आई थिंक मसाज थिंग अपस्टेयर्स है ऑन द अबाउट फ्लोर की वो 1 पाउंड में कुछ तो मसाज कराते हैं।
1 पाउंड में बस होता है, उसमें कैश भी जाता है।
हाँ।
You can pay online as well.
अगर मुझे पता होता देन आई वुड हैव डेफिनेटली डन इट, बट आई थॉट इट्स फेक और समथिंग, बट विल गो चेक, अगर होगा तो हम डेफिनेटली करेंगे।
1 minute.
1 minute, but that's fine, थोड़ा रिलैक्सेशन। बट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बूट्स।
1 or 3.
हाँ, बट हमने प्लान स्किप करके बूट्स जा रहे हैं थोड़ा मेकअप का शॉपिंग करने, सो लेट्स गो। इट्स सो प्रिटी इन क्रिसमस, ओ माय गॉड कितना सुंदर लग रहा है ना। कर रही है।
She knows what shade should I be. क्योंकि इसके shades के इतने अच्छे shades होते हैं इसके लिपस्टिक के, और always perfect जाते हैं इसके skin tone.
Thanks. She loved my lip shades, but I got it from Kylie, which I will show you. It's right here. मैं तेको बता देती हूँ। ये रहा। It's I think yeah, is this one guys? अगर यहाँ इसमें से कोई था। I'll check. It's shade 20. Posy के यहाँ पे देखो। check. So you would try if you want. हम ऐसे I think she looks pretty. That's a good match. And we got it the Posy lipstick. It's for 20 pounds. A bit expensive, but it's worth it because for a year it will last you for I think 6 months or something. और बहुत अच्छा है quality. और ये लोग foundations they give this all different products which would be nice as well. मेरे को परफ्यूम भी लेना था, so I'm gonna test
Is this a perfume?
Yeah, it's a perfume, and I didn't know that Kylie Cosmetics does perfume also. Cosmetics, what cosmetic? So we are gonna look और फिर हम देखते हैं। I'll give a haul के बाद I will show you guys कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया है। So फिलहाल तो हम थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करते हैं और आपको मिलते हैं। And that I tried, मतलब ये शेड I always purchase, shade 20. That's look pretty as well. So पीछे की साइड पे that's this one. And which is for, I think this is a kind of expensive because you get a lip kit for 29, but you could get a मतलब लिपस्टिक भी सिर्फ मिल सकती है आपको। about Christmases they give this hampers and kits जो आपको बहुत सस्ते में मिल जाते हैं। Each product would usually cost 30 pounds, but for a box it's 30 pounds and you would get mascara, lipstick and high gloss together, so that's quite nice. I'm suggesting Simran a color corrector as well because I usually get it. She's trying before you apply your concealer or foundation, and I get it from NYX because यहाँ के products affordable भी होते हैं और बहुत अच्छे। Yeah, it's quite cheap and it's quite nice quality. So I'm getting this. I usually get it in the shade dark peach. It depends on your undertone. To compare the price, the ELF color corrector is only for 4 pounds, which I think I'm gonna try and I will see कि कैसा लगता है because the NYX वाला is out of stock, the shade I need. So अभी मैं try करके देखती हूँ. So I think I will get this one. ये सब ये खोल रहे थे।
और ईशा ने गिरा दिया।
But guys, this is the best part I love कि see all the gift hampers only for half price for 34 pounds, 38 pounds, all of it, and Too Faced का भी है। See, you get all this for 38, and there are so many products like skincare products and then beauty products. On lipsticks के लिए अलग, perfumes के लिए अलग, for candles there are different. So these are only for 15 pounds. नहीं हो रहा, बंद नहीं हो रहा, जाने दे, छोड़। Yeah, but see, this is for like lip set. You get Christmas vibe. 3 lip glosses if you get in 16 pounds. So that is all. So that's quite nice. So यही मेरे को पसंद है इधर का। I usually shop यहाँ से hampers जो बहुत easy और handy. ये perfume sets Ted Baker के। That's so nice. So guys, these are all the perfume sets. यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे, and then you get it for only like cheap. It's very cheap and directly sets मिल जाते हैं, which is quite nice. हम एक्चुअली अभी बहुत नींद आने लगे हैं, कंटाल गए हम देख देख के। सो नाउ वी आर गोना क्विकली शॉप एंड देन मैं रात को घर पे बताऊंगी कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया है। वी आर गोइंग एट मोबू टू गेट अ बबल टी फाइनली। क्या तूने कभी ट्राई किया है? हैव यू ट्राइड? So this is the first time trying it. My mom has tried and she loved it. So that's why I told him.
Fruits or
No, it's passion fruit, but it's like a bubble tea. But it's like a peach and passion iced tea. Have you tried
hot
it?
drink or cold?
No, cold. But it's quite nice. I love it. And you have the popping bubbles inside. So it would be yum. But you're gonna try it. इसका review लेंगे हम. So we'll try it. स्ट्रगल।
तो ये बाहर निकल सकता है।
शेक कर और बबल्स के साथ ट्राई कर ले। नाउ यू ट्राई, यू विल गेट टू नो।
बबल
But is it nice? Do you like the flavor or do you don't like it? Be honest. I haven't tried it. I don't know how they made it. Is it nice? Guys, you can try. It's quite nice. और this हाँ, और large drink आपको 540 में मिल जाता है. And I think small is for 480 or something. But बहुत अच्छे flavors है. सिमरन मेरे को सिर्फ घुमा रही है. मसाज वाला अभी तक we can't find the massage guy she's talking about. It could be there, but it's not there. Maybe I can see something, but we'll see.
पर पता है वो हमेशा बुक रहता है, पर कोई ना कोई बैठा रहता है।
Okay. Hopefully
You
आज.
have to wait for that.
Oh, that's. But today it's very busy because it's Saturday and it's the weekend, so people would definitely come out. But I think यहाँ पे ही होगा. We'll see. So guys, ये है वो massage chair that Simran is talking about. But we have to wait. I think there are a lot of people sitting. So we'll see.
एक में बच्चा है।
So guys, this is the machine.
फिर
You have to pay by card. So it's £1. And for how many minutes is it? Oh, it's for 5 minutes. That's quite nice. So we are gonna do it. You just tap your card. Tap करके बैठ जाओ. चलो. Guys, there is an option to put the coin as well.
don't think so.
Yeah. I think this one it's not working because of the card.
Should I put?
सिमरन क्या कर रही है? मैं तो रिलैक्स कर रही हूँ. चला गया क्या हुआ बाबा? ओह गॉड,
एक कौन गया?
तुम मशीन ही खराब है तो उसमें क्यों ट्राई कर रही है?
मेरे पैसे निकाल।
गाइस चालू कब से है बट ये बैठी नहीं. कब से टाइमर स्टार्ट हो चुका है और ये खड़ी है.
अभी मैंने डाला ना,
उसका स्टार्ट हुआ होगा.
exactly, maybe.
बट मुझे थोड़ा प्रेशर ज़्यादा लग रहा है. ओह माय गॉड, थोड़ा ज़्यादा दुख रहा है. मैं कैसे बताऊँ? ये देखो गाइस, इट्स वेरी रिलैक्सिंग. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. बट पीछे से कोई मार रहा है ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है? ये बंदी
बहुत मजा आ रहा है, पता है?
3 मिनट. इट्स फॉर 5 minutes एंड आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 2 minutes आर गॉन.
Tap कर।
हाँ, ये टैप करने के चक्कर में. एंड आई डोंट नो इफ वी हैव पेड एक्स्ट्रा, बट फॉर £1 it's 5 minutes and I think it's quite worth it and it's relaxing.
बता रही हूँ
क्या इसने 5 मिनट में से 2 मिनट आई थिंक सिर्फ कॉइन डालने में टैप करने में घुमा दिए.
and now I'm checking कि मेरे
या
पैसे तो नहीं
हाउ
गए
मेनी
tap
हाउ
करने
मेनी
से
या
ज़्यादा।
इवन आई टैप माई कार्ड. चेक कर ले भाई. गाइस, सिमरन की वजह से आई हैव इंसर्ट और £1 डाल के आई एम टेकिंग इट फॉर मोर 5 minutes बिकॉज ऑफ सिमरन. तेरी वजह से हो रहा है. एंजॉइंग इट. Quite needed. Finally. How are you feeling? I तो felt so good.
ये ऐसे ऐसे जो हो रहे हैं ना,
हाँ
when it ends up, और जब ये ऐसे जाएगा सिर्फ
हाँ ऊपर तक.
love it, man.
Quite nice. See.
Have to see over here.
हाँ, this is the
More
timer.
time that I have.
Yeah. You should definitely check your time. I should recommend people living in Glasgow. Please come to St. Enoch Mall. हाँ, एंड इट शुड बी सब जगह होगा ही ना. बट दैट्स क्वाइट नाइस. जो भी रहते हैं ग्लासगो में, सेंट एनॉक मॉल है, उसमें ये यूके मसाज चेयर्स है एंड इट वॉज टोटली वर्थ इट. अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड द मसाज थिंग. आई वुड गिव द ऑल द क्रेडिट टू सिमरन. थैंक्स. एंड या आई वुड रिकमेंड इट टू पीपल एज वेल. और सामने अंधेरा हो चुका है एंड द क्रिसमस मार्केट इज आउट. सो वी गोइंग टू शो यू प्रिटी. Yeah.
Light face टाइगर भी दिख रहा है।
हाँ, it's looking so. Oh my god.
Oh my god, ठंडी।
Guys, I'll show you.
And show.
Now we are gonna video call our mums. Oh my god, let me show you. is a vibe. I absolutely love it. Oh my god. I'll show you. Please, this is so nice.
We can go as well. But
Yeah. Wow. Guys, ये ride बीच में ही बंद हो चुकी है. Live update. I don't know how is this. Oh my god. And it's raining as well. I am not gonna sit in the rides for sure because
exactly.
can you see the smoke? It's so cold. And also the ride band. Oh my god. Oh. Back guys, it's back. So news में कुछ देखने नहीं मिलेगा, ना ही vlog में कुछ अच्छा content आएगा. But yeah, we'll explore and we enjoy. Simran is terrible. कोई बंदा गिर गया and Simran like अरे उनकी vlog ले लेती.
No, वो गिरा नहीं था. It was our content.
हाँ, good
she
content.
missed it.
Yeah, that's fine. If you know, you know. Guys, we are looking for snow boots, but we'll see if we find any. कोई अच्छे वाले. That's the brand. Let's go.
The time of my
We can't find any over here. I mean, ऐसे सब है. Let's see. Guys, hands are red. Oh my god. मेरे तो red हो गए पूरे. ठंडी बहुत है. Not a good day to not wear your jacket, Simran.
no. I'm wearing lots of things inside.
Yeah, but she has a warmer, so that's fine. But the street is very pretty. So guys, it's so cold. My nose is red. हम कैसे से nose red हो गया? But we are at Superdrug now and मुझे nails देखने हैं guys. Superdrug में nails के like fake nails के set बहुत ज़्यादा is long lasting as well. Simran suggested me and also in Primark, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so
I think Primark वाली ज़्यादा अच्छी है.
हाँ, but मैं आपको बताती हूँ. I'll show you the nails. So this is all the options you get, which is pretty. And ये छोटे से थे कि try करने भी मिलता है. You could see, put your hand and try. Yeah, Primark में. If you need more designs, but they are quite nice and they are for I think £5 each, and you get a glue. So yeah, 24 nails. So that's quite worth it. We are at Primark and we are gonna guys. This is on reductions. The best part about every store like Primark, H&M, सब कुछ reductions पे बहुत सारे कपड़े रहते हैं, which you can find easily. So that's for £9 all the sweaters. This is for only £7. It's very pretty and cozy. And I need to get some sweaters, so we'll have a look. I need to get a scarf as well. So we देख रही हूँ scarf, hat, sweater, and वो outfit. We'll check. Wow, like it. Oh, this is for £15, just to give you a gist of the prices. But we are gonna have a look. Let's see. So these are all the scarves. So this is for £10. Or ये hat. Wow, this is also nice. ऐसे खाने वाली है तू? What is this?
ये पता है ठंड लगती है ना.
हाँ, but this is पतला है ना, ये पतला है बहुत. ये देख तू इसका, this is quite thick. So you decide. ये थोड़ा विंटर वंडरलैंड जा रहे हैं हम, ऐसा लग रहा है. But I like the color. My God. So guys, we are done with the shopping. Oh my God, girls अगर साथ में आए तो ये हाल होना ही है. But yeah, the hair is tied up, we are tired, and yeah, shopping is done. So now we are
Stomach
gonna
needs some foods.
yeah. So I am telling her that we can go to Taco Bell because she haven't tried the nachos and fries. But or it's like peri peri.
Here
Peri peri
people
fries.
don't call French fries. They say
हाँ,
chips.
these are chips.
है ना?
That's weird.
टाको बेल में जो वो रोल्स होते हैं ना,
हाँ.
उसमें राजमा और चावल होता है.
हाँ, पता है.
That's so
But
weird,
gross.
बाबा बहुत गंदा लगता है.
Yeah, I know.
Tastes
But
like money, बाबा.
But nachos is good, so she must try. So we are gonna go there. But अभी फटाफट billing करके हम निकलने वाले. So let's meet there. So guys, they have started this in Primark. They do eyebrows and everything. वो सब नया start किया है. Ooh, the brow studio. Do you want to get your brows done? No. We are okay. So that's all the shopping done. The damage is done.
Let's go and have
Let's go, and we are gonna have food. So guys, we are planning to go to H&M, but time ही नहीं मिला. अभी ऑलरेडी 7 बज चुके हैं, सब शॉप्स क्लोज होना शुरू हो जाते हैं यहाँ पे.
Freezing now because the temperature is going down.
Yeah, it's going down.
Yeah.
If you can see the smoke coming through our mouth. But yeah, it's freezing and we are going to rush because we are going to Taco Bell. So, because we are hungry. Look at that. We took the takeaway from Taco Bell. We took the fries and we are going to McD. So we came at McD because Simran wanted to have from McDonald's और Taco Bell के fries अच्छे थे. So yeah, we have ordered. So guys, यहाँ पे you can take, I mean, table service भी होती है. So you just enter the code and they give you at the table. That's quite nice. So अभी हम खाएंगे फटाफट.
It could take some time.
Yeah, it could take some time. Yeah, but yeah, let's go. Did you like the fries?
I got my order.
Yeah, but did you like the fries?
Yes.
It's very nice and cheese sauce भी बहुत tasty है.
We usually get here chili fries, है ना?
हाँ, यहाँ पे नहीं मिलते.
मिलते नहीं हैं.
But yeah, this is nice. So we're gonna have food and then I will go home and stay tuned for what I have purchased because I'm gonna show everything. Yeah. Bye. See you soon. Oh, bye. So guys, finally I'm home. I have reached and I'm gonna show you what I got. So firstly, this bag that I got, which is nice because I have them in other colors, which is John Hasri. I have them in other colors. मेरे पास denim blue color की है, but I wanted one in black. So this is very nice. And मैंने सब सामान इसमें ही भर के लाया. And this is for 14 pounds. I'm just gonna give price for everything so that people know. मतलब कितने कितने अगर आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाए. और फिर I wanted to get some perfumes क्योंकि मेरे पास perfumes ख़त्म हो गए थे. मैंडेटरी बिकॉज सेल भी लगी हुई थी बहुत. एंड ये बहुत ज़्यादा चीप में मिला है. 11 pounds में कुछ तो 6 bottles I have got of these. And I think they are very nice because they smell good. I've got these. I've got them before as well. I love them also because 4 perfume like body perfumes, deodorants, they are for 6 pounds. So ये भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. And I got मतलब ये सब मैंने बूट्स से लिया है. तो वहाँ पे there is usually a section as I told you. वहाँ पे मैंने आपको बताया कि एक सेक्शन होता है यहाँ पे क्रिसमस का सब रखा होता है जहाँ पे सब गिफ्ट हैम्पर्स एंड वो सब रखे होते हैं. सो ये आपको ऐसे परफ्यूम सेट्स वगैरह सब कुछ बहुत चीप में मिल जाता है. देन I got one workout leggings from Primark again. That's quite nice. And I got it for around 11 pounds. So that's quite nice because the material is also pretty stretchy and it's not see-through. और इसमें ठंडी भी नहीं मतलब ठंडी भी नहीं लगती. और मेरी बाल इतने ख़राब हो गए तो मेरी कंघी टूटती जा रही है तो इसलिए मैंने ये नहीं ली है. एंड द कलर इज़ वेरी क्यूट, लैवेंडर, एंड आई लव इट. सो या, होपफुली दिस डजंट ब्रेक. दिस इज़ ओनली फॉर 150. Quite nice. So as the winter season has come, so I've got 2 scarves. ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मस्त लगे और इसमें मेरा इनिशियल था आई तो इसलिए वेरी प्रिटी. एंड या सो दिस इज वन स्कार्फ बिकॉज मैं ऑफिस में जाती हूँ. आई हैव ऑलरेडी हैव अ कैप एंड ग्लव्स बट टू कवर माई नोज एंड एवरीथिंग आई डोंट हैव अ स्कार्फ. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई गॉट दिस वन विच इज़ वेरी नाइस. आई लव इट. एंड देन द वन इन ब्लैक ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज आउटफिट्स के साथ मैच होने के लिए ब्लैक इट्स मैंडेटरी. So it's quite nice and I love the quality, it's very soft. So this one is for 6 pounds and this is for 9 pounds. Yeah, and then we went for some makeup shopping. So but I've got this Kylie ka again. I've stocked it up because mera khatam ho gaya tha. So this you get a lip liner and then you get lipstick as well, which is in shade 20, the one I was wearing, but it has gone out, मतलब पूरा wash off हो गया है. So yeah, I absolutely love Kylie's lipstick because they are long lasting, they are durable and they are totally worth the price. So I would definitely recommend this brand. And lip liners, they are too good, they are very smooth. So yeah, that's the one and I love it. This one was ये थोड़ा expensive side मतलब expensive मतलब I don't know, but it's for 29 pounds. But Black Friday sale चालू था so Kylie पे 25% ऑफ मिल रहा था. बट इट्स गोइंग टू स्टार्ट नाउ बट स्टिल सेल थोड़ा प्री सेल जो चालू था वो. सो दैट आई गॉट फॉर 29 pounds. सम नेल्स बिकॉज मेरे नाखून मेरे को थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करना था. So I got these from Primark and they were very cheap because I thought Superdrug में cheap मिलते हैं, but no, Primark में the nails and all, there were so many varieties. So this one I got for, oh, I thought that was for 130, but no, that's for 350. But Superdrug में usually get it for £5 each, but this is for 350 and you get 24 nails in that, and also nail glue भी है. So that's that cheetah print which I love because I wanted to try. And मैंने छोटे लिए because daily chores करने के लिए, I mean you need small nails, so I didn't get them big enough. Then the other color I got was the plain that a girl will pick always. So that's this one. Hope you can see. Yeah. So I think that was no. I think I've shown this in the video. So I've got this Elf Cosmetics. I'm gonna try because I usually use NYX ka or I use Huda Beauty ka color corrector. So yeah, but I'm gonna try Elf ka, and it was very cheap as well. That was only for £4. So yeah, we'll see how the formula is and we'll keep you updated hopefully in my next vlog. But yeah, so that's the last thing I got. So hope you enjoyed today's vlog because यहाँ पे Christmas की lights वगैरह सब कुछ चालू हो गए थे and it was और बहुत ज़्यादा crazy था. But definitely I would suggest Christmas में if you're in Glasgow you should visit the Christmas market. It was beautiful, and also George Street पे, George Square पे there were beautiful lights. So lightings already पहले ही चालू हो जाते हैं December में, early December मतलब early November में. So that's quite nice. And yeah, I think Edinburgh is also beautiful during the Christmas, so that's a must visit. I will try to go Edinburgh this time, but hopefully मैं vlog करूँगी. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, so as usual please like, share, comment and do subscribe. इतने लोग दिखते हैं but subscribe क्यों नहीं करता? क्यों? Please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Bye. Until next time. Bye.